Okay, good morning everyone, and this is Sir J.M. Miranda or audio of Sir J.M. Miranda, and welcome again to my science class. Okay, so our topic was interaction of our topic today is interactions on the atmosphere with air, winds, and breezes. So let's go and proceed. Okay, so we go for 1 minute prayer. Okay, then let's proceed to our animal of the day. So, can you guess what was our animal of the day? You can I cannot hear what you are about to say. I am only on audio of Sir J.M. Miranda. So, the animal of the day will be the Harris's hawk. Okay, Harris hawk, or in scientific name Paraboteo onicintus. Okay, Onicintus or onicintus. Okay, so the hawk is on the family of eagles, falcons, and peregrines, okay? Falcons and hawks, okay? Falcons and eagles. So, these type of birds are called as birds of prey, okay? They are mostly carnivores, okay? So, what was about hawks is that hawks are this type of hawks are live in South America, the Saharis hawks. And what's special about birds of prey that they attack prey by special techniques such as grabbing them, okay, with their sharp talons and strong grip strength. They grab the prey, then they bring it to the sky. They drop it until it paralyzed, okay, until they cannot move or die. So, what the fun fact about Harris Hawk, they have the unique way of hunting. Okay? It's called a dive bomb. Okay? So, they start at a very high altitude, then they start to drop themselves with a speed of 195 to 210 kilometers per hour. Okay? Simbilis ng maximum speed of a car. Okay? They are same fast as a car. That on full speed. Okay? So, they try to attack that on very high speed. Okay? So, that the prey cannot notice that they are about to get attacked by a hawk. Okay? So that's what their special abilities and the fun fact about hawk. Okay? So that's our animal of the day. Then let's proceed for our review. What the topic that we discussed yesterday. So what topic did we discuss yesterday? Yes, it's about the greenhouse effect and greenhouse gases, okay? So first we go on greenhouse effect. It's the greenhouse effect is the gas that is a certain it's an amount of gas or uh types of gases that traps the heat of the sun, okay? The greenhouse gases while the greenhouse gases is the gases that traps the sun's heat, okay? So, what's the example of greenhouse gases? We have the carbon dioxide, we have the nitrous oxide, we have the ozone, uh, and we have the methane, okay? We have the methane. So, what is the benefit of the greenhouse effect is that the greenhouse effect makes the temperature livable, okay? Magiging livable ang ating earth, okay? So what if we don't have a greenhouse effect? So that would turns out low temperature that would lead us to cold, okay? Cold weather, okay? Wala tayong greenhouse gas to regulate the heat inside our Earth. So, what was the bad effects? If the continuous of producing of uh, greenhouse gas, it will create global warming, okay? The increase of the temperature of the Earth. So, if we they are sources of the sa greenhouse gases, we have carbon dioxide, which is burning of fossil fuels, automobiles, and we have the methane, which is from landfills, the nitrous oxide from agriculture, which is the fertilizer, and we have the fluorinated gas, which is came from appliances that uses cold, okay, that refrigerator or air conditioner. So that is our lesson yesterday. It's about the gases, okay, the greenhouse effect. So now, let's proceed. Okay. So I want you to watch what I was going to draw. Okay. So let's go. Black. Okay. We have, sorry kung di marunong mag-drawing si Sarah. Okay. We have the, okay. Okay. We have, so we have a, let's go for blue. Okay. We have blue, then red. Okay. We have a pot. Okay. We have a gray pot. Okay. Where is, okay. So, we have let's say another red, okay, another red inside this, okay. Let's not, okay, let's go for gray, okay, gray color. We do not have gray. Okay, let's go for a red, which it's the boiling of water, okay, kumukulong tubig sa pot. So what do you observe, okay, what do you observe on the pot, okay? What is it, what happens to the pot, okay? The water in the pot, what happens? Okay, so it's boiling, right? It's boiling, kumukulo. Okay? So what does it release? Okay? It releases what? Yes, a water vapor. What's the temperature of the water vapor right now? Yes, mainit. Diba? Mainit yan. Then, let's proceed, okay? You already see that the pot is boiling and and it produce water vapor or steam, which is hot. And what direction does the steam go? Yes, it goes up, okay? It goes up. Then, let's proceed to our drawing. Let's remove my drawing. Uh, Then, we have the warm air and the cold air. So, what was the difference of the warm air? For uh, the warm air goes, the warm air rises, okay? The warm air rise. While the cold air sinks, okay? Pababa sila, okay? Pababa ang warm air and cold air. So, what's the difference them, okay? So, for warm air, the pressure will be low, okay? They have low pressure, okay? For um the cold air, we have high pressure. So, how do we know the pressure of this, okay? Paano natin nalalaman yung pressure, okay? We have a tool that we use to know the pressure, okay? We have a tool, okay? Let's see. Drawing natin sa kabila. We have, lang. Okay, balik tayo doon sa drawing. So, we have the, let's make a shape, okay? Okay, we have a shape here. Then, let's, nasa na yung drawing? Nawala yung drawing ni sir. Ayun. So, we have something called the barometer. Okay, let's type the barometer. Barometer. The barometer is used to measure the pressure of winds. Okay, the pressure of the air. Okay, winds tuloy, air pa pala. Okay, it's used to measure the air. Okay, so let's draw. Ay, meron tayong block. We have Maglagay ulit tayo ng panibagong circle. Yup, yan, ganyan. So we can, let's say that. Yup, there we go. So let's draw some like numbers here. 10, we have 10, 50, 5. Let's just say and then we got 0, which is low pressure. How about on the other side, we have, let's say this is 815, this is 20. Let's just assume this is the pressure, okay? Di marunong mag-drawing sila. We got 25. Okay, next, we have very high, okay, 30. This is go on high. Okay, that's high, okay? So, we got arrows. No, no. Ayan tuloy. Let's erase. No. The arrow yan, okay? But they have arrow that points, okay? Arrow that points. And yan. That's what a barometer looks like, okay? Hindi siya maganda, pero that's how a barometer looks like, okay? You can search what does a barometer look like and you will have a better clear understanding of how a barometer looks like, okay? Then next, let's proceed. Then we already said, let's try it again, okay? So I already said the warm air and the cold air, right? The warm air goes up, okay? While the cold air sinks, okay? Let's just say warm air rises, the cold air sinks, okay? Let me get right. Listen, sinks, okay? While the warm air, let's add another, rise. Yan. Yan. Change the color to blue. You can change the color. Pwede na yan. So, warm air rise and cold air sinks. So, again, the pressure of warm air is low. Okay? Low. Okay? That's low. So, how about the cold air? We have high. Okay? It's high. When it's rising, it's low pressure. While sinking, it's low pressure. So, how does it works? Okay? Pagsamahin natin. Let's go back to our drawing. Okay? Let's go back to dito. Yan. So, let's draw something. Okay? Let's go for a color red. Let's say this is warm air. Okay? We have warm air rising. Okay? We have warm air rising. And then we have, ano, saan natin ang kulay? We have the surrounding air. Okay? The surrounding air. Go towards, okay? Go towards to the warm air. Okay? Papunta sila. Okay? This is, this is surrounding air. Okay? Let's type. Surrounding air. Okay, we have the surrounding air. And this one is warm air. Okay? So, what does it produce? Okay? What does the warm air and the surrounding air produce? Okay? So, for warm air, they go rise. Okay? And the surrounding air, they go towards the warm air. So, it will produce, remove natin lahat ng drawing. It produces wind. Okay? It produces the wind. Okay? So, drawn ulit tayo, kulay blue. Okay, it produces the wind, okay? So, yan, wind. Kunwari hangin. Then, let's draw something that can be used on winds, okay? Okay, we have kite like that. Mm. That's how wind, which meaning it is a movement of air. So, let's go back to the So why does warm air floats? Okay. Let's go back. Let's already have the definition of wind. Let's go back to our warm air. So, the warm air, pakisulat, the warm air is less dense, okay? They have less density, which causes them to go up, okay? Which causes them to rise. While the cold air is much denser, okay? Okay. Mas mabigat ang cold air sa warm air. That's why meron tayong tinatawag na ah hot air balloon, okay? Which uses flames. Yan. Which means that the warm air becoming less dense inside the balloon, okay? Dito nauubos ang mga luminipis ang numinipis o umuonte ang warm air sa loob. Nagiging less dense, okay? Kaya lumilipad ang mga hot air balloon. Tapos, kung gusto naman nilang bumaba, papatayin nila yung apoy para ang warm air maging cold air, which it will become much more denser, okay? Para bababa na yung mga para bababa na sila. Kasi, if it continues na paapuyin, lilipad sila na lilipad, okay? So, that's how the warm air and cold air works. Then, let's go back to wind, okay? The wind is movement of air. I already discussed about it. Na sabi ko na it's the warm air rises, then the surrounding air goes through the warm air, okay? To produce wind. So, next. We have a type of wind and they are called breezes. The breezes can be found in coastal areas. Okay. So how does the breezes works? Okay, so first, let's go for make drawing time tayo. Let's draw a land, okay? Coastal area, so we are going to draw a land, okay? Okay, land. We have the land. Let's draw some trees. Let's say palm trees. Okay, not good at drawing, okay? We have trees. Then let's add some fruits, okay? Green, okay? Let's add some coconuts, okay? Coconuts. Excuse me. So, we have the land and we have the sea, of course. I have the sea. So, let's draw the sun. We have the sun. We have the sun here. I have the sun. So, how does the land breeze work? Okay. So, in land breeze, okay, the land, uh, the land heat goes first, okay? The land heat air rises, okay? The heat in the land goes up, okay? Let's do some red, okay? The heat in the land goes up, okay? Then, at the top, they cool down, okay? Until they reach the certain temperature that they will go down, okay? So, that's how land breeze work. The land first, the warm air goes up, okay? Then cold air goes down, okay? That's how the land breeze works. And it only happens on day, okay? Sa umaga lang, tsaka sa araw, okay? Ang nangyayari ang land breeze, okay? So first, the land air or the land warm air goes up, then cools down. You can see, cools down, then it decrease temperature, then bababa siya to the sea, okay? To the bodies of water, sea or ocean, depends, okay? Then next, let's create more drawings. Let's proceed to the next one. We have the sea breeze, okay? Let's draw again. Drawing natin ulit natin yon. Masyado maliit. Yan. Yung dagat ulit tayo. Dagat. Okay? So, puno ulit. Puno. Ayan. Yan. Puno yan, ha? Natutulog na yung puno. Then we have fruits. Okay? So, this is the land and this is the sea. So, how does the sea breeze work? Let's add another, let's say, color. Dark blue. Let's go. We have the moon. Okay? It's the one that shines. Okay? We have the moon that shines. Okay? By the sun. The moon don't shine, okay? It's the sun that shines the moon, okay? So that's how it works. The moon do not shine. It's the cause of the sun, okay? So let's go back. Sea breeze, okay? So how the sea breeze works? Ito naman baliktad. So the land has cold air, okay? So pababa siya, sink. Then the sea is warm. The sea warms it up, okay? Okay, the sea warms it up. Then we go to red. Sea warms up and it rises. It rises on this side, okay? Then it cools down again, okay? So, baliktad naman daw. The sea breeze, the land has cold air, then the bodies of water is hot, okay? So, you always look at the red one, okay? That's always the first, the warm air, then cold air. So, what's the difference? The in the land breeze, the first is on the land. The land is warm air, okay? While the sea breeze, the land is cold air, okay? So, for the sea breeze, okay, the land breeze, the ocean is cold air, and the sea breeze is warm air. Okay. So, the difference is that land breeze happens at day, right? Then for the sea breeze, it only happens at night. So, that's how the breezes works. Okay. So, you already understand how the difference of warm air, cold air, the winds, and the breezes. Okay, so let's proceed for your activity. Then for your activity, you have to draw a model, okay, of how does a land breeze and the sea breeze works. Don't forget the labels, okay? Just put warm air and cold air. Then yun lang lalagay nyo, the warm air and cold air. Then for the warm air, color it red, and for cold air, color it blue. Warm air red, cold air blue. Okay? So that's how the activity, okay? Draw two models, okay, of the land breeze and the sea breeze. Sa one paper only, one one bond paper only. You don't need to do two extra, okay? It's only same points, okay? So, next, I'll give you since you already understand about the wind breeze, sea breeze, the wind and the air temperature and pressure, I'll give you a quiz, okay? Short quiz, 1 to 5 lang. I'll send the Google Forms again. So, this time, you already understand about it, okay? So, for our next lesson, we gotta go on a group activity first. Remember, the newscasting, okay? The newscasting, you have to report it. Okay? So, this is again Sir J. M. Miranda, the audio of Sir J. M. Miranda. And thank you for listening in my science class. Woohoo!